Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun, what your girl can't see. What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today we have some sausage, some rice, some cucumbers, and I have some of the miniature bell peppers that I like. And I have some coconut Waterloo to drink. You know, I know I'm on that. Cocoa is back. So if you are new to the channel, if you could please hit your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So we're going to jump right in because I am hungry. And I done heated this up twice, Chad. So yeah, I have jasmine rice. I have 3 different sausages because I got in there and got hungry. I do have a fork. I don't know if I'm going to use it. But, yeah, so I wanted to try these sausages. How long you heated the butter up, Key?
30 seconds.
Oh, okay, it's still a little warm. So, yeah, so I have y'all ever tried chicken sausages? I didn't have the whole onion. Now your onion is a thing. Look like it kicked it up a notch. I'm gonna put some onions on here, y'all. I know that ain't how you do it, but we're just gonna go with it anyway, okay? So I hope you guys are having a great week thus far. I am having a great week thus far. Like I said, I got 3 sausages. Let's thunder, y'all. Let me hurry up. Well, it is good. But the onion, scallion, whatever you want to call it, it set it off. I know I'm talking so much, but yeah, I don't know. I tasted chicken sausages like, you know how you pass by Costco? Cause I'm one of those people that go to Costco for the snacks, for the samples. I do. Don't lie, y'all do too. So I went to Costco and I tasted their chicken and pear sausage or something like that. They have all these flavors of sausage. Chicken and apple, chicken and pear. And that was the first time I think I tried it. But it's pretty good. I just don't want to buy that much of it. But still, my favorite is the Georgia Sunset. Or the Sunset Farms, I should say. I still like those the best. The onion. It's good, y'all. It's good. It's perfect on a rainy day. Well, it's about to rain. I'm not complaining. Onions and ginger good on here, though. And I know somebody gonna say, that ain't how you do it. It's okay. It's just food, y'all. I promise you. It's just food. I don't want to stress you out about no dish, about no food, okay? And we're just having a good time eating. That's all. Relax. Oh, let me open my Waterloo. It is a good combination though. Well, if you stuck, baby girl, go ahead then. Somebody asked me why I tap the top. Y'all don't tap y'all? Is that a myth? If you tap the top, then it won't,
I don't think that's a thing.
I don't even know where I got it from. You ever have traditions that you do and you just don't even know why, but you've just been doing it so long? So shout out to the connector that called me out on that. 'Cause I don't know, baby. I just do it.
I don't see how tapping the top to get rid of carbonation built
I
up.
don't even know. I don't know. I don't even know who started it. But we all do stuff that we just, you just go with from tradition. I know that is crazy, ain't it? Woo! Let me bite my own. Oh, so cute. Oh, I messed up his pretty color. Mmm. Oh, it's so sweet. Y'all know what I find funny? Y'all know some of us post on Instagram, right? And some people don't follow Instagram. I mean, follow YouTube. So we're only giving them like a clip, like a 60-second clip. Mm. And somebody takes a 60-second clip and analyze your whole life. I say, good gracious. Your whole life. Mm. I know I could use a fork, y'all, but it's really good. But yeah, people try to. I'm like, Lord, have mercy. Then the people straight arguing in the comments. I'm just not going back and forth with nobody. I don't even know each other. What you laughing about, Keith? This is a crunchy mukbang. It's a lot of chewing. Get you some of these. It's so dark. Get you some of these little miniature sweet bell peppers. They almost say sweeter than fruit. You want a bite, Keith?
Never.
Why do you say never?
I don't like them.
You never tasted it.
I will not eat it.
Keith, just bite one.
No, I don't eat it unless it's in an omelet or in some pasta or like in anything including.
You really don't know what you're missing. I promise you don't.
I will not eat it alone. It has to be in something.
If I give you $20, would you taste it?
Yeah.
If I give you $20, you'll bite it.
Yes.
Now you know that's a doggone shame. Come on. Come on, bite it.
You'll give me $20?
I'm gonna give you $20.
I want you to give me.
I'm on camera saying I'm gonna give you $20. I'm not lying.
So you will give me the money if I do this.
Come on. You gotta bite, take a big bite.
And on the morning?
Wait, how does it taste?
Terrible.
It does not taste terrible.
Oh yeah, I want to figure it out.
No, you got to swallow it. Chew it up.
This is disgusting.
It is not disgusting. Why are you lying? What does it taste like?
Nothing good.
What does it taste like though?
Sour. Bitter.
No, KIONA.
It's not like I don't like peppers. I just don't like them stand alone.
But you can't say it's nasty.
No, I don't like them alone. So yeah, this is gross to me.
Don't know.
And I take it back. It's not bitter.
Exactly. I know it's not bitter.
Okay, no, it's not sour. It is bitter.
Y'all listen. Y'all ever be in the store or something and you tell your child, go ahead and pay for that, or let me hold $1 or something, I left my wallet or something. And as soon as you get in the car, they be like, oh, you owe me $5. I be like, girl, sit down. But you can buy them 50-11 things and they'll totally forget that they owe you money. So you're a selfish child.
I paid like I owe.
Girl, please. This a lot of chewing, y'all. But it's good. I'll give you that. So ain't nothing going on, y'all. Oh, thank you to everybody who watched the video yesterday. Y'all was so funny. Y'all, I'm gonna fix these lights. Not today, maybe tomorrow. So it can be brighter. Some people like it like this. I like it brighter, but focused. You know? Alright, I'm getting full. This rice, I mean, how much rice y'all think y'all can eat more? I can't eat no more than a cup of rice. I know somebody was like, I'm glad you picked up your fork. I'm sick of y'all with that barbaric eating. Somebody say, then y'all gonna, what she say? Then y'all gonna hot Cheeto the doggone turkey for Thanksgiving. Somebody's definitely going to do that. I believe so. I think it's creative.
Dude, I would totally do that.
Hot Cheeto or turkey?
Yeah.
A whole turkey?
That sounds fun.
Oh my god. Dog, that onion was sharp. But I think it's really cool to be around people that push you. Like, if you see somebody that does a great video or something, if it doesn't rev you up to be like, oh my god, okay, let me tighten up, let me do something. I always say that. Because it just pushes you, it pushes you. And I think that's awesome. I don't think you should be intimidated by that. Somebody had a great month, great week, great video. They got a great opportunity. It doesn't take away from you, y'all. We gotta be okay with that. Like, embrace that, enjoy that. It's scary. What do some people think? Ooh, y'all, I'm full. I know that's weird, but I can't eat a lot of rice and stuff. I think I drink most of my calories, don't you think? When I see a drink, I'll be like, oh, I gotta try that.
That happened in Target today.
Huh?
That happened in Target.
Yeah, it did happen in Target today. I was like, oh, that bottle look cute. I want to try that. That sounds delicious. I want to try it. I think I drink most of my calories. Alright, y'all. This was a quick video. It's raining outside. I got a little dessert right here. Kid them brought home. Oh, my camera finna cut off. Alright, y'all. The camera cut off. My bad. So, like I was saying, thank you guys for joining me. I really do appreciate it. This was just a chill day. Oh, I forgot something in the freezer. I forgot that soda in the freezer. I mean, that sparkling water in the freezer. So, much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.